Have a nice day, everyone! Welcome to my channel Leathercraft Together. Today I want to review some of my bags. Now I'm preparing to create new shoes, so that you don't get bored, I want to show my other works. These are my test projects in Leathercraft. The first bag that you see is made with interesting decorative element. I want to show the details of this bag. I made this bag from chemical tanned leather, used cow skin and sheep skin. I stitched the product with a completely saddle stitch. To model a bag of this type is not difficult. It's very easy to put all the pieces together by hand sewing. Also you see the iron half rings for the shoulder strap. The handles of the bag are fixed with two rivets. The most interesting is the convex embossing on the front of the bag. This decoration looks very impressive. Let me remind you that it's my test bag in this style, because the bag is not perfect. Unfortunately, I lost the patterns, but it's not scary because model is simple. The side two parts and the opposite two parts are the same. The front and back are also the same, and the bottom of the bag is a small rectangle. The bag has a zipper that is sewed with two identical stripes of leather. I sewed the ends of the zipper with pieces of leather. You can also look inside the bag. You will find a small pocket, but I don't like it. I had to make a bigger pocket. If you liked the idea of a bag with such unusual decoration, then write to me in comments, and I will try to make another bag with more interesting embossing, with details of process. Also, don't forget to subscribe of my channel. Your feedbacks is my best rewards. This is my other bag which I made in this year. This is shopper bag or a tote bag. I don't know how it will be right. Now I will talk in detail about her, and I will show my patterns from cardboard. And sorry for my English, I'm just learning. I made this bag from two different skins. The main part is made of camouflage leather and the lower part is made of white leather. All used chemical tanned leather. I sewed textile straps on this bag. I used a sewing machine. There is also a special place for the magnetic button. Inside the bag you will see a pocket that is sewn with the same seams and the straps. Now I will show you cardboard patterns. This is the main part and part of the bottom of the bag. I also marked a pocket of these patterns. The bag model is simple and fast enough. There are no difficult details. On the bottom of the bag you see special cuts. These cuts are stitched and bag gets more inside spaces. You can make patterns yourself. The sizes of camouflage bag I will write in the description. I also have other interesting bags. If you're interested, I will take another review. I want to know about: did you like these bags? What do you think about design? Is it necessary to make similar bags again? Write your opinion in the comments. My main specialization is shoemaking, and I want to review my previous projects. In the next video I will tell and show you women's handmade leather shoes. We will talk about similar elements and different aspects of shoes.